Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in the development and planning of various projects in Noida Sector 50. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys of the land, gathering accurate data, and creating topographic maps. One of the leading companies in this field is SCON Design, which offers top-notch services in topographical surveying in Noida Sector 50. PHP. Their team of skilled surveyors utilizes advanced technology and equipment to ensure precise measurements and mapping. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, SCON Design has the expertise to deliver accurate and reliable topographic surveys. Noida Sector 50 is a rapidly developing area with multiple construction projects underway. To ensure that these projects are executed efficiently, it is essential to have accurate topographic surveys. SCON Design understands the significance of these surveys and provides comprehensive solutions to clients in Noida Sector 50. PHP. Their experienced surveyors are well-versed in the latest surveying techniques and use state-of-the-art equipment to capture the necessary data. By employing advanced technology, they can accurately measure elevations, contours, and other features of the land. This data is then used to create detailed topographic maps, which are crucial for proper planning and design. The process of topographical surveying involves several steps that are meticulously carried out by SCON Design's team. First, the surveyors visit the site and conduct a thorough examination of the land. These instruments help them gather precise data about the land's features, including its elevations, slopes, and natural formations. The collected data is then processed using sophisticated software to create accurate topographic maps. These maps provide valuable information to architects, engineers, and other professionals involved in the project's design and construction phases. In Noida Sector 50, topographical surveyors are essential to the creation and planning of numerous projects. These experts are in charge of making topographic maps, collecting precise data, and conducting thorough surveys of the area. SCON Design, one of the top businesses in this industry, provides excellent topographical surveying services in Noida Sector 50. PHP. Their group of knowledgeable surveyors uses cutting-edge tools and technologies to guarantee accurate measurements and mapping. SCON Design has the knowledge to provide precise and dependable topographic surveys for residential, commercial, or industrial projects. Noida Sector 50 is a neighborhood that is now undergoing a number of construction projects. Accurate topographic surveys are necessary to ensure that these initiatives are carried out successfully. SCON Design knows how important these surveys are and offers clients in Noida Sector 50 complete solutions. PHP.